It's business as usual at a convenience store in Fort Worth, Texas. A man asks the clerk if he has any dimes for change.
No, they haven't been coming out of the street. That nickel is no dime.
It sounds like a normal request. And that's exactly what this thief wants the clerk to believe. The small talk is all about waiting for the cash register to open. That's when the transaction turns into trouble. It's called a smash and grab. The robber smashes the clerk and grabs the cash. The worker gets knocked down, but isn't out. He hops the counter and bravely goes after the thief, who unfortunately peels out and escapes. Luckily, all the damages are minor. The suspect gets away with only $80 and the clerk walks away with just a headache.